Someone says, "Did you hear?" And your body leans in before your ethics finish loading. You tell yourself it is just curiosity. Your brain calls it social intelligence, and it is very good at its job. Now, gossip is group chats, office Slack, and celebrity drama you will never meet. Then, gossip was a map of your 50-person world. Who shares food? Who cheats? Who starts fights? Who helps when someone is sick? In small groups, reputation is infrastructure. Cooperate and share, and people bring you back resources. Cheat or explode, and you eat alone. Gossip spreads that ledger faster than waiting to learn the hard way. Hearing about someone else's mistake is cheap education. You get the lesson without the snakebite, the exile, or the bad marriage. Vicarious learning with popcorn. Sharing gossip also signals trust. I am telling you this, which means I rank you inside the circle. That warm us against the world feeling is alliance glue, not just nosiness. Studies show social information about others can activate reward circuits similar to food or money, especially when it is about status, relationships, or conflict. Your brain treats people news as high-value data. Gossip exercises theory of mind, tracking what she thinks he knows, who is offended, who is pretending. That mental gymnastics keeps social maps updated in a species that survives by cooperation and politics. The same system that protects groups can weaponize exclusion, rumors, bullying, pile-ons at scale. Ancient gossip worked in villages with consequences. The internet is a village with no walls and infinite microphones. Here is the twist. Hating gossip is also social signaling. I am above that. Meanwhile, almost everyone tracks people news because for most of history, missing one story could mean trusting the wrong person for years. You do not need updates on 300 strangers to survive Tuesday. But your brain has not received the memo, so group chats and celebrity drama still feel urgent because the format matches the old job. Recap: gossip tracks reputation. It teaches cheaply. It bonds allies. Brains reward social news. It scales badly today. You are not uniquely petty. You are running village software on global input. More social instincts hiding in plain sight on Visual Explainer Network. Next, why 3 seconds of silence in a conversation feels like falling off a cliff.